If you have a Tesla with Autopilot 2.1, this is how you activate it. So first, in the controls here, you need to make sure in the Autopilot tab that you have auto steer on. So you have traffic aware cruise control, and then you have auto steer beta. So the traffic aware cruise control is just adaptive cruise control, so slow down or speed up depending on the traffic in front of you. And then the auto steer, in this case, is in beta for whatever reason. That is gonna be your lane assist, so it's gonna keep you in your lane, and if you want to change lanes, you can just put on your blinker and it will change lanes for you eventually. I also have navigate on autopilot, so if you are using maps, you can say this button here and it will try to get you around traffic automatically and take exits for you, but it will not stop at stop signs or traffic lights. So it won't navigate city streets, but it will navigate between different exits. It's honestly kind of bad, so I don't really use it, but it's an option. So to actually turn on auto steer or to turn on the adaptive cruise control, there's a stalk down here, and you tap it forward once, and you can see that speed on the left of the current speed is now blue. Now if I tap that stalk twice, now it beeps twice, and you have the steering wheel is blue and the speed that you've set is blue. So now it's staying in the lane by itself, and it's staying the speed by itself. So there's no one in front of me, pretty open freeway, so trying to be safe with this. You can also speed up and slow down. So if I tap the stalk up a tiny bit, then it will accelerate 1 mile per hour. And if I tap it up hard, it will go to the next 5 mile per hour increment. So I just tapped it back down hard, so it went back to 75. If I tap it down lightly, it'll go to 74. Tap it up lightly, it'll go back to 75. The other piece that you do need to know is that Autopilot 2.1 just uses cameras around the car to maintain the lane and the speed in front of itself. It does not have LiDAR or any radar detection. It's just cameras, and it will yell at you if you don't keep your hand on the steering wheel. So you can keep your hand off the steering wheel for a short amount of time, and sort of randomly it will warn you to put your hand back on the steering wheel. And if you disobey it too many times, it will give you 1 of 3 strikes before you're out. If you mess up bad enough to get a strike, it will give you that strike back eventually, but that takes like 300 miles or something like that, maybe 200 miles of driving. So I always just keep my hand on the wheel unless I like have to take off my sweatshirt or something like that. But yeah, keep your hands on the wheels, keep your eye on the road, but there's no cameras in the car watching you for Autopilot 2.1. So that's Autopilot 2.1. Make sure to like and share this video if you have other people interested in getting a Tesla with Autopilot 2.1. Thanks for watching, bye.